3 days after owners overwhelmingly approved a new 10-year labor deal, reps for players and owners' sides have reportedly agreed to the terms of a deal which will be voted on by players today. Players already taking to Twitter, in fact, to air their excitement over an impending season. Now, the AP says the sides wrapped up talks early this morning. Here's what it means for fans. NFL franchises could start signing their own draft picks and rookie free agents on Tuesday. The first training camps could open Wednesday, and free agency signings, a lot of chaos, guys, could begin by the end of this week. Now, the NFL Players Association would need to reestablish itself as a union to make the deal official. The NFLPA should have more details on that vote after the vote this afternoon. Now, one industry clearly thankful for the end of the lockout: food service. Think Buffalo Wild Wings here, think Yum Brands Pizza Hut. The CEO of Pizza Hut, in fact, the world's biggest pizza company, Scott Bergeron, telling us no other sport drives his business like football.
Our NFL Sundays, it depends on the game, it depends on the city, but the range of increase in sales for us might be anywhere from 15 to 25%. So for us, when you look at 1,500,000 pizzas, that runs into real money.
Yeah, 1.5 million pizzas on an average NFL Sunday, with as much as 25% of that related to football. That's roughly $60 million, folks, over the course of the regular season to Pizza Hut's top line. Some real money, as he said. Now, the league's already canceled the Hall of Fame game on August 7th. It's not looking likely, at least, that more games, Margaret, will be cut. But fingers crossed here. We'll find out.